The judgment by the 7-judge panel led by Chief Justice Andrew Nyirenda followed an appeal on a High Court ruling that put aside a June 2015 Malawi government ban on production, distribution and importation of thin plastics of less than 60 microns. The thin plastics were banned because they pose a threat to the environment due to their delay rate of decomposition. But in January 2016, Aerial Plastics Industries Limited, Rainbow Plastics, and 12 other thin plastic manufacturing companies obtained an injunction against the implementation of the ban, arguing that it infringed on their business rights. Further, they protested the closing down of their factories and imposition of fines on suspicion that they were manufacturing and selling thin plastics. Thus, the companies sought a judicial review of the ban, but the High Court on 14 June 2018 upheld the ban. Thus, the companies sought a judicial review of the ban. However, High Court Judge Hale Potani suspended the ban on July 12, 2018, pending an inter partes hearing which was later dismissed. The companies appealed the matter in the Supreme Court, where Nyirenda and Justices of Appeal Anthony Kamanga, Anclet Chipeta, Frank Kapanda, Edward Treyer, Dunstan Mwaungulu and Lezine Zikamanda on 31st July dismissed the appeal. Reacting to the ruling, Ministry of Natural Resources, Energy and Mines spokesperson Sangwan Pili held the decision. He said companies that manufacture thin plastics should immediately stop doing so, and that the ministry will meet to map the way forward on the effectiveness of the ban. Environmental Affairs Department Director Tawonga Mbale also welcomed the ruling, saying they were looking forward to a day when the country will start implementing the ban on thin plastics. In 2015, Government of Malawi, through the Department of Environmental Affairs, effected a national ban on thin plastics of less than 60 microns, while in 2016 the Plastics Manufacturers Association appealed to the High Court for a stay order restraining government from implementing the ban, which made government to stop implementing the ban after the court granted the order. Globally, 127 countries, including 34 in Africa, have legislation against the use of thin plastics. Reporting for Lunta Television News in Lilongwe, I'm Helbert Katanda.